In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the node editor to paint a car mesh. I'll post a link to a 3D model used in this tutorial in the description below. Let's open the 3D model. Let's select the body mesh and go to Shading tab to use the node editor. Let's press A to select all nodes and delete. Let's create the material output node. Let's create the principled BSDF node. Let's increase the metallic setting and decrease the roughness setting. Let's select both nodes and press Shift-D to duplicate. If we select the new material output node, the car's paint will change. Let's create a customized paint job known as Viva la Italia, the most awesome paint job for Italian supercars that carries the flag of Italy. We need to add texture coordinate, mapping, gradient texture, color ramp and principled BSDF nodes. Please match my node settings. This is the end of the car painting tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.